Fix in 5. P0464. Fuel level sensor A circuit intermittent, electrical signal loss from F medium severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminates intermittently, fuel gauge reading erratic or fluctuating, fuel gauge sticks at one position then updates, no symptoms at idle, issue appears during acceleration or cornering. Now the most likely causes. Corroded or oxidized fuel level sensor connector or contacts. Loose or partially disconnected fuel sender wiring harness. Damaged or pinched wiring in fuel tank area. Fuel level sensor sending unit degrading intermittently. Engine control module ECM, connector corrosion or poor ground connection. How to fix it. Clean fuel level sensor connector and contacts with electrical contact cleaner. Reconnect securely. Replace corroded wiring harness between fuel tank and ECM. Apply dielectric grease to fuel sender connector to prevent future corrosion. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly €45, €110 doing it yourself, or €165, €230 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, will P0464 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0464 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0464. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.